Yeah, we are going to add a row to the card content. That would be the row the transform, the translate on we did on the test, the last test. And inside the row we are going to add a button and a text as its direct children. So both the button and the text will be inside the transform or translate, so that we can always change, we can kind of like translate its movements, the position whenever we scroll through the cards. We are going to be doing that right now. As you can see, the button and the text side by side, and both are in, the button is in gray color in blue and the text is in black color. And so we are going to be styling both of them in a few minutes. So we'll be starting the button, the elevated button, using the style property. I just pasted a code for the styles, so I did that before. I just pasted a code for that. You can see what the button looks like on the screen. So we just reload our app, and the button, the styles are already applied to the button. You see the all sides are rounded and the text is in white color. And yeah, we are getting to the final stuff. we'll be applying transform.translate to the test, that's the price test in particular. So we'll be applying the transform.translate widget on it. And we are adding a text style with a font size of 20 and a font weight bold, and above the transform.translate, text will be adding a spacer, so there will be a space between the button and the text. So you can see the horizontal space between the button and the text. That's because we applied a spacer to it, so it divided the whole spaces. Yeah. And now if you see, when we scroll through the page view, you see the animation and the text. We will be wrapping the button itself in a transform.translate, so that the button will also move as the button text is moving too. Right now, let's test our app and see how that looks. So you see the scroll. When you scroll through the page view, you see the button and the button text moving, and you see all the text itself moving when you scroll through the page view. And that's what we are looking for, and we are getting it. So let's push the button and the price text down by adding a spacer. Let's reload the app and see the changes applied. So we had an error when we applied the spacer to bring the button and the text down. So let's see how to fix that. Thanks for watching this part. Let's get over to the next part of the video on this playlist.